some proclivities. We're here in beautiful Alamitos Bay, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough video today. The bow, we have this nice sun pad with incliners for your headrests, and also a fold-up bimini. Has the beautiful champagne hull paint, and oh my goodness, look at that thing shine. Large windows in all the staterooms, what you see down here, with also opening portholes in each of the staterooms and restrooms, gives you a beautiful airflow throughout the boat. Boat is equipped with this very nice center console AB tender on the Prestige hydraulic swim platform with the Aprilia Mare sliding chocks. Overhead we have the electric sunshade option. Cockpit joystick control. What a wonderful layout Prestige has given us. Fully equipped aft galley, large fridge, freezer, double sink, microwave convection oven, and 3-burner cooktop. Across you've got your ice maker and your storage for glasses and bottles, along with your main control panel. Best visibility in its class all the way around. Wonderful windows. Gives you the feeling that you're outside even when inside. You have electric opening windows, both port and starboard here in the salon. Only 312 hours today on these Volvo IPS 600 engines. She is barely broken in, folks. Just got full service on the engines and pods in December of 17. Hooked up to the television system, we have high definition KVH track vision on the boat. Forward is your VIP stateroom. Very good size hanging closet for 2 guests. You can keep the bed together, or you can separate it to make into 2 singles. You also have a Jack and Jill door that lead right into this very nicely done restroom. Floating sink, plenty of storage, and then a separate enclosed stall shower away from the toilet. The other guest room is a side-by-side berth, and you can also fill this to make into a full queen berth. An additional hanging closet for this guest stateroom. Underneath the stairs is your 2-in-1 washer dryer. You have this very plush Vogue carpeting throughout the boat, which is removable everywhere. On the stairs, main living area, and galley, you have wood flooring beneath. You also can change the position of the doors to a center position, which would give you entrance and exit from both starboard and port side of the galley out to the cockpit. A signature Prestige feature is this private entrance to your full beam master stateroom. Very well done. This is the best master in 50 feet you're gonna find, folks. Full walk around, large berth, big hanging closet, the little sitting nook, huge windows, nice television, plenty of storage all the way around. Coming forward, you have a very nice size shower, great headroom throughout the bathroom. set of electronics on the fly bridge. Very generous sun pad. We've got a barbecue grill which has never been used, along with the sink. Refrigerator chiller box here. Nice wraparound comfy seating at the aft of the fly bridge. So give us a call for more information. As for the listing agent, Sean Mermeloid, you can reach us at 949-631-0228. Thanks for watching.